Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So today we are going to have a discussion on negotiation. So basically what is negotiation? Negotiation is the process of conferring to arrive at an agreement between different parties, each with their own interest and perception. Basically, it is a decision making process or mechanism involving interdependent parties with different professions. Now there are basically four basic principles for practicing best negotiation. The first one is preparation. Preparation is understanding the issue and the people and making a best team or a better team for the process. The second one is a relationship. Relationship should be developed between the negotiator and the party, and should be maintained during and after the negotiation. The fourth one is communication. Communication is building trust by applying an open communication style. And the lastly and the most important is problem solving. It is basically exploring options and strategies for reaching an agreement. So now what are the basic features of negotiation? The basic features includes: first, there should be two parties. Second, there should be predetermined goals of both the parties. Third, both the parties should expect an outcome. Fourth, parties willing to modify their position. And last one is parties should understand the purpose of negotiation. So now question arises, why negotiation? What is the reason that the parties should opt negotiation? Basically, negotiation is to reach an agreement or to make a point which should settle an argument to compromise or to beat the opponents. So there are basically two types of negotiation: distributive negotiation and integrative negotiation. So now let's know about distributive negotiation. The most distributive feature is that to operates under zero sum game. That is, to gain made by one person in loss included by the other person. Each person involved in negotiation defines ultimate points where the settlement will be made. The settled goal is to negotiate at high as possible, and the buyer intended to negotiate as low as possible. That is basically win-lose situation. Now let's talk about the second type of negotiation, that is integrative negotiation. In this negotiation, basically parties cooperate to achieve maximum benefit by integrating their interest. Both parties involved in negotiation process jointly look at the problem, trying to search for alternatives and try to evaluate them and reach a manually accepted decision or solution. That is basically win-win situation. Now let's see the four steps to achieve a successful negotiation. The first one is assess. Here the question arises, do the benefit of engaging in this negotiation outweigh the cost? Or can you influence in this situation? Or third, what is the price are you willing to pay to avoid negotiation? The second step is prepare. Here the question arises, what are you interested in this negotiation, and what are the interest of the counterpart? The third step is to ask. Basically, engaging with your counterparts give you a unique information about your counterpart, and you give the information that your counterpart need. The conversation with your counterpart gives you the opportunity to share this information, and as well as listen to their perception. Now the fourth and the final step is package. Make proposal that package together issue and solution. Start with the result you can deliver to your counterpart, your team, or your organization. Do not negotiate. Do not negotiate issue by issue if they statement as a tool to present your ask. So lastly, let's see the roles and responsibility of a negotiator. Negotiation is a dialogue intended to resolve dispute and each or to an argument. It is the primary mode of alternative dispute resolution. Negotiation can be also done to satisfy individual interests. Negotiations are directly affaired in business, legal processing, government affairs, and such other activities. So I hope you find the video informative. So please like, share, and subscribe.